right here in Monroe Market at 4 a.m. in the morning. The police traveled along this street that so many people travel. There shouldn't be anything to be alarmed about to see a Department of Veteran Affairs police officer in an SUV traveling it. Well, this particular police officer this morning parked right here. What's so special about this parking space? Well, we don't know what's so special about this parking space, right? Well, he parked right here. Well, right here just happens to be right here in front of this Barnes & Noble, the entrance of Barnes & Noble. Upon getting the very first video that you saw, let me show you something else that you didn't see, that I saw. Right here, see these doors? They're double doors. And guess what? This one right here, 4 o'clock in the morning, should be locked, right? There shouldn't be anybody at these doors right here. Well, this is where the police officer parked, right here. Right here. See Barnes & Noble? Well, inside, right there, there's some double doors. And inside, as we walk past, this door, the sliding door on the inside, was closing right as we got the video of the police officer. The door was closing right as we got. So somebody is inside of this Barnes & Noble at 4:05 this morning. And this police officer was sitting right here, signaling to them. And when that person saw me get the video of the police officer, he ran inside. That is when the door closed. 625 Monroe Street, Northeast Washington, D.C. is where this happened. And then guess what happened after that? This is right as we got the very first video that you saw. And we're going to connect the two. The alarm inside went off inside of Barnes & Noble. Right here. Could this be another scheme? What is it? We don't know. We got it on video. As soon as it sees us getting this video of Barnes & Noble, the alarms inside of Barnes & Noble ceases to alarm. Terry Ashford reporting live for you.